Now let's look at look-ahead planning. So the best practice when you have Microsoft project is to use an Excel spreadsheet. So you could see to the left, I have to format all the numbers and days in the Excel spreadsheet and making sure that I have everything ready to go. To the right in Outbuild, what is very simple is I could just filter out activities directly from my schedule. As you could see, I'm working to the right on the Outbuild. And instead of having to have project on one screen and Excel on the other one, and take activities into the Excel look ahead, which most people we talk to tell us that superintendents don't even do. They just build out a look ahead, not connected to the schedule. In Outbuild, we don't even give you that option. You have to build within the confine of what the contract says. So that makes it a lot simpler for a superintendent to come in, call the code and sequence the work as they need. And you see in 4 minutes, I built a 6-week look ahead that was incredibly simple because all I had to do was bring in activities from the schedule into my look ahead. That's instant in Outbuild. Add all the tasks that I need. As I select a responsible or company, it would call a code automatically, the company associated, and then I could just drag and drop. Well, you can see here to the left, I am still working on Xing the companies that I need to work with. I realized that I need more than 3 weeks, so I need to redo the formatting. And again, that's me with a lot of computer background that could use Excel in and out. I know some superintendent don't have quite the time or the patience to be able to do all of this, which leads to late input into your look ahead, which leads to them not wanting to actually do it. And you can see I'm still working here on formatting and finalizing the sequencing. And that took me more than twice the time to do that in Excel. So think about what would make your superintendents want to have a tool that's designed for them. And also the easier it is, the more likely they are to spend time building out a look ahead, building out the right sequence, and not having to format an Excel spreadsheet, which I am sure they are not looking forward to during the day.